Have you ever pondered over the ancient origins of pendulum dowsing? Let's journey back thousands of years ago to a time when the mysteries of the universe were explored with a simple pendulum. This fascinating practice took root in ancient civilizations, notably Egypt and Greece, where it was used for divination and seeking guidance from the divine. In the hands of the ancient Egyptians, pendulum dowsing was a sacred ritual, a bridge between the earthly realm and the divine. Moving forward to the classical period, the Greeks, renowned for their philosophical minds and scientific curiosity, also utilized pendulum dowsing as a tool for gaining insight into the mysteries of life. As time advanced, this practice didn't fade into obscurity. On the contrary, it found its way into the hands of some of the most brilliant minds in history. Albert Einstein, the iconic physicist, was known to dabble in pendulum dowsing, attributing its effectiveness to magnetism and Earth's gravitational pull. Fast forward to today, and pendulum dowsing has evolved, adapting to the rhythms of modern society. It's no longer confined to the realms of divination or scientific curiosity. Today, it's a tool for self-discovery, personal growth, and spiritual exploration. From the sands of ancient Egypt to the bustling cities of the 21st century, the pendulum continues to swing, connecting us with the unseen forces that shape our world. And that, my friends, brings us to the present day, where pendulum dowsing still holds a special place in the hearts of many spiritual seekers. Now that you're familiar with the captivating history of pendulum dowsing, you might be wondering how it's done. Let's take a journey together and explore this intriguing practice. First things first, you'll need to select a pendulum. This can be any small weighted object attached to a string or chain. There's no right or wrong choice here. It's all about what resonates with you. Some prefer a simple metal or wooden pendulum, while others opt for those adorned with precious stones. So take your time and choose a pendulum that you feel a connection with. Once you've selected your pendulum, it's time to cleanse it. This step is crucial as it purifies the pendulum and aligns it with your energy. There are numerous ways to cleanse a pendulum. You could hold it under running water, bury it in salt, or even leave it under the moonlight. But remember, the goal is to clear away any lingering energies, so your pendulum is in tune with you and you alone. Now, on to the exciting part, how to ask questions and interpret the pendulum's movements. Hold the pendulum chain between your thumb and forefinger, allowing the weighted end to hang freely. Be sure to keep your hands steady. Ask your pendulum a simple yes or no question, something you know the answer to, like, "Is my name?" This will help you establish your pendulum's movements for yes and no responses. Keep in mind that the key to successful dowsing is asking clear, concise questions. Avoid those that are ambiguous or that require a complex answer. And most importantly, maintain a calm, open mind. Your energy can influence the pendulum's movements, so it's essential to approach each session with positivity and an open heart. The pendulum might swing back and forth or in a circular motion. Each pendulum has its unique way of communicating yes and no. So take some time to understand your pendulum's language, and voila! With these steps, you are now equipped to venture into the world of pendulum dowsing. Remember, like any skill, mastery comes with practice. So be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. As we approach the end of our journey, let's revisit the key points about pendulum dowsing. This mystical practice traces its roots back to ancient times and has evolved over the years into a tool for spiritual exploration. Using a pendulum for dowsing is a simple process, involving a clear mind, a focused question, and a gentle swing of the pendulum to reveal the answer. With this knowledge, you're ready to explore the intriguing world of pendulum dowsing. Remember, the answers you seek are often closer than you think.